Magandang gabi po Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ilang oras na lang bago ang inaasahang pagharap ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa pre-trial chamber ng International Criminal Court.
Nagpunta roon kanina ang kanyang anak na si Vice President Sara Duterte.
At sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, mula nang dalhin sa The Hague ang dating Pangulo, nagsalita ang bise tungkol sa ama.
We're currently talking to the ICC personnel inside so that we can do a visit and then we can attend the initial appearance later this afternoon. So we'd like to request your indulgence, so to allow us some sort of space so that we can give you some information. We'd like to thank the Dutch Ministry of Foreign Affairs. They have assisted me in my arrival here in the Hague. And then we'd like to thank as well the Philippine Embassy here in the Netherlands for their assistance as well. And we'd like to thank the support of our kababayan here in the European Union and around the world for former President Rodrigo Duterte. Yesterday, there was a conference with lawyers, and we are here right now trying to access the former president.
Kasama rin doon ng vice, sina Senador Robin Padilla at si Attorney Harry Roque. Sabi ni Roque, sa ngayon, si Attorney Medialdea pa lamang ang kinikilalang abogado ni Duterte. Pero kung pagbibigyan daw ng korte, 3 ang magiging abogado. Hinihiling daw nila na ipagpaliban ang appearance ng dating Pangulo. Hindi pa raw nakikita sa ngayon ang vice at ang dating Pangulo.
May mga dahilan kami, pero susubukan naming ipaliban itong kauna-unahang pagdinig na ito. No? Pero itong dahilan namin ay pribadong ipararating sa mga mahistrado.